Hi and welcome back. Today's video is a little bit different than normal as we've been sent something to review. Something that is going to come in very handy to us because ours is just packed up, funnily enough. And it is a dash cam from the lovely people at Vantrue. Let's have a look at this.
Oh, what's occurring?
As I said, this review is for a dash cam. It is a Vantrue E3. And here we have the little beast. The E3 stands for Element 3 because this particular dash cam has a front facing camera, a cab facing camera and a rear view camera. So best of all worlds. There we have the contents of the box. We have a quick setup guide there, USB-A to USB-C cable, user manual, quite thick that, couple of screen, I think you put those on the screen before you do the mounts. I'm not quite sure, I'll have to read the instructions, something that us guys don't do. Got a nice little sticker, stick in your van, tell you it's protected, some spare 3M double-sided stickers, a little cleaner, and here this is the mount for the camera. It sticks on, it's magnetic onto the camera, slides in, and the power goes on in the side there, USB-C, which is great because when you disconnect the camera you don't have to unplug from the camera. So you could have a separate mount in your car and the motorhome, so you could just swap the camera back and forth, to be honest. Here, long USB-C cable. I take it that's for the rear view camera. Little trim tool will be handy, tuck this cable in. You've got a little remote control here, so you can take pictures and start recording, things like that. I'll tell you more about it once I've read the manual. Here's the rear view camera. Here we've got the auxiliary, what's the proper name for it? The auxiliary power outlet, which most of us know as cigarette lighter socket, which has a spare USB-A socket in it, which I like that. So it's not, you're not just utilising the dash cam on one socket and have no other outlets. And here is the main camera. As you see, it's got quite a big lens there. This lens does rotate, so you can angle it where you want to. And on the back, you can see there you have the cab camera plus an LCD screen. So that is what is in the box. Now it's time to have a look at the manual and let's have a little try of this beast. See what it's like when we drive in, now with the sound. Let's get out of here.
So is it filming both sides now?
Yeah.
So you're recording both sides?
Records front and back, all the time.
We've had a quick look at the footage on the phone. It looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Looks pretty good. Yeah.
Well, better than anything that we've had in the past.
Oh yeah.
But like anything else, you pay for what you get, but I think this is good value for money for what you get for it.
Yes, it's a good bit of kit.
Busy down there now, isn't it?
Yeah. We've got a flood. They're all coming down now for the fireworks.
Fireworks.
We've got the road flooded ahead. Get out of here. There we go. our van will be stinking.
Thank you very much.
The Vantrue E3 Element 3 is now showing us on the cabin video. So it's recording us in the cab. So I can look back at the footage and see when Rian is making faces behind my back. There is also a rear view camera, but we haven't put that on yet because the lead's not long enough, funny enough, and we haven't got a rear window.
No, the van is 8.4 meters long.
We've got rear view cameras anyway.
Yes.
But what we're thinking with the rear view camera, we'll stick it in the habitation place, which is always a good idea. You can keep an eye on the kids.
Yeah, if you've got kids or animals, pets, and they're in the back.
It's recording, so you can, when they start screaming and so and so hit me, you can check back on the video and see who's telling the truth.
I could use that for you, just to prove to you that
No,
you're snoring.
No, I never snore.
Not when you're driving, though.
I hope I don't snore when I drive. Yeah, so how does this sound? This is also on the speaker of the camera itself. So hopefully...
Yeah, that'll be interesting to see what the sound is like when it comes through.
Yeah. Maybe we can use it on our videos then, as well.
Yeah.
There's a lovely bit of kit. Good picture. Seems a good picture. We shall see how it comes out in editing.
Compared to, we've had dash cams before, haven't we?
Yes.
And I would say that this
looks about the best footage, gotta say.
Yeah, definitely.
And it's nice having this cabin camera. So it's recording everything all the time. Plus you've got a parking mode. If you leave the camera plugged into a permanent supply, someone bumps you when you parked, it will start recording.
Oh, that's good.
Yep.
I didn't know that.
Oh, it's got loads of stuff and it's all voice controlled. Oh, lovely gadget, boys and toys.
So yeah, we're really pleased with it.
Yeah.
It's we'll use it all the time. As David said, most probably because the footage is so good, the picture's so good, we'll use it in our videos as well.
Yes.
Because this cabin is huge, isn't it?
Yeah. So
when we've got the GoPro or the DJI or the Insta, it takes it from the aspect of back here. So whereas if I've got it more forward, without me stretching forward,
yeah, we'll see how it pans out. We don't know yet till we get it on the laptop and start editing.
Yeah.
But resolutions are brilliant, front facing, and the rear one, so it's all HD. Can't fault it. It looks good.
That means nothing to me.
It means you get a good picture. You'll be able to read the number plate in front.
Well, that's always good.
Yeah, some dash cams you can't even read the number plate of the car in front of you when you look at it. So yeah, very impressed with it. I know you get the cheaper ones, and people say yes, the cheap one will do. It's when you need them, when you need the footage, and be able to actually see what's happened, not grainy old footage. Yeah, so we're happy with it. And just
if there was anything to improve on it, what would you say?
The rear view camera is it's not waterproof, so you can't have it on the outside of the vehicle. So
it'd be ideal in the car because you've got the
back
lens.
Windscreen. Yeah, so the Vantrue E3. Thank you very much for the people at Vantrue. Send it along to us. And check out the description below for a 10% discount. I'd recommend them. Oh, one other little thing though.
What's that?
It didn't come with an SD card.
Ah.
So you've got to buy your SD card. Maybe they should put one in the box, Vantrue, for future, but at present it doesn't come with an SD card.
How much is an SD card anyway?
You can pick them up £20.
Ah, right, okay. Well, that's not too bad.
For a big one, 256 gig I bought, and it's £20 it was. Yeah, so there's still lots to play with on it, lots to learn, but first impressions, very good. And anything, we'll update you in the future about it as well, isn't it?
Yeah, so if you've got a dash cam or you've got a different one, you're thinking of changing, let us know down in the comments what you've got and what you think of it, and if you're interested in buying one of these.
Lovely. So
that's 3 questions. That's a lot of questions, that is. You've got loads of options now to answer those questions, haven't you? And pop it down in the comments.
Or just say hello.
So thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a very different to what we've ever done before. It's the first one we've done a review on, really, isn't it? The company have asked us. So we hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Right. Oh. Can I go out? I know.
Yes, okay, no. There, she's gone. Peace and quiet. Lovely.
Oh, what's occurring?